Welcome back, friends. It's Rhonda with the Salem, Ohio Public Library. I want to share with you some of the technology that's available at the library that you might not have known about. First, I want to discuss the VHS to DVD recorder. So basically, you just bring in your home videos on VHS and we put them into the VHS player, and we provide a free writable disc for you that you can go ahead and put into this player as well. And basically what it'll do is in real time as the video is playing, it will record it onto a disc. Now, a few things to keep in mind is that you do have to call to schedule an appointment. We only have one of these machines, so we want to make sure that everybody has a chance to use it when needed. So if you just call to schedule an appointment, we'll let you know what time slots are available. We do provide the free disc for recording, and staff is always available to help. So don't worry if you've never used one of these before. It's fairly simple and there will be someone there to help guide you. To see a video of how this works, visit the Salem, Ohio Public Library Facebook page and click on videos. And please keep in mind that if you stop recording and plan to come back to finish another time, you must use a new disc. You cannot continue on the same disc as before because it must be finalized before being ejected from the device. Next, we have a 3D printer. You have to complete the 3D printing form, which is found on the Salem, Ohio Public Library's website. If you have any problems with this, please feel free to call us at the library and we can certainly find a way to get that form to you. You have to email your 3D model in an STL file format, and here is the email address that you would deliver that to. And staff is available to help. The cost of printing is 10 cents per gram of plastic used. We will email you an estimate prior to printing your model, as we do need a cost approval before printing. When the print is complete, we will send an email notification. Most medium-sized models cost $5 or less, and a typical project will be ready in 3 to 5 business days. Next, we have our microfiche machine. This is an excellent technology to use if you're really into genealogy or finding out the history of, say, like your ancestors or the city you live in, especially since we are in Salem. There's a lot of records for, the history of Salem. It's available by appointment, and the staff can help you if you're unfamiliar with it. It uses 35 millimeter film and it enlarges it for viewing. And basically all it is that we have a catalog, a large catalog of 35 millimeter film. It's mostly newspaper articles. Sometimes there's obituaries or wedding announcements, things like that from quite a while ago, from many, many decades ago, that you kind of have a hard time finding in today's print. And so this sort of gives us an avenue to check out some of the older documentation of Salem or just the local papers in the area at those times. Last, I want to discuss the Oculus virtual reality system. These can be borrowed for use inside the library. Library staff will be happy to assist you with setup, and there are lots of games available. This is a really fun way to try something new. So if you're unfamiliar with this type of technology but always wanted to try it, we at the library would be happy to get you all set up because it is one of the more popular gaming systems. You do have to at least call in advance or just ask when you come in to see if there's one available. We actually have 2 at the library and there's lots of free games on there. Okay, I hope that this helped guide you in the direction of trying something new today. So please feel free to come on in and check some of this out. All right, thank you. Have a great day.